Hello, friends. Today's lecture is an inspiring story for all hopeless souls. It is about Bear Grylls. Bear Grylls, in his early age, when he was young, he considered to join the army. Eventually, he joined the army. Everything was good, smooth, life was so sweet for him. But then in 1996, he suffered a free fall parachuting accident. This accident happened in Zambia. His canopy ripped at 16,000 feet. His parachute opened partially, and this accident caused his three vertebrae crushed. This was the most challenging moment for Bear Grylls. Yet, he managed to escape death. Yes, Bear Grylls, the one and only Bear Grylls. Now there were two ways for him: either to go back to pavilion and return to his life, as most people do who fail, who are pessimistic. But for Bear Grylls, he was an optimist. Being the man of valor, Bear Grylls thought to resolve the problem and move forward. His surgeon thought it was questionable whether Bear Grylls would ever walk again or not. Bear Grylls spent the next 12 months in the rehabilitation center. Bear Grylls is a source of inspiration for all of us, a source of courage, a source of determination. For me, for my kids, my kid often asks about his courage, about his determination. My kid just loves him. His story is inspiration for all those who fail. A pure determination. Bear Grylls showcased this when he went to climb Mount Everest only after 18 months after breaking his vertebrae in the parachuting accident. He was only 23 when he achieved this feat. When he climbed Mount Everest. This is the inspirational story of the amazing Bear Grylls. The world knows him for his feats. He is one of the most popular shows shown on the Discovery Channel on his own show called manvswild. My dear viewers, my dear friends, we all have problems. And we see millions of people who did amazing things even after they had failures, after they had accidents, after many of them almost had died. Yet they came back, they retreated. They came with a big courage. If you scratch out dust from your rusted minds, you will shine, I bet it. A little more determination is the key to success. You know where success comes from, my dear viewers? You know where it lies? Where success lives? You know its address? Success lives right at the next step when you stop. When you fear to take a little more step. When you stop thinking. When you stop running. When you stop walking. Most of the people are failures because of this last moment failure. This I have recognized in my mind. One more authentic case of failure is your friends who discourage you. The people who discourage you are your bitterest enemies. Mind this sentence in your mind and enlist those all of the persons who discourage you. I tell you, this is very serious problem to most of the minds, to most of the souls. Because the people around you, they affect you. Scratch out the list of thoughts that discourage you. Get rid of the friends who discourage you, because they are the real enemies of yours. Mind my words, if you yourself stand up and run and don't stop until the horizons come, you will get the pinnacle point of your success. And my last words, mind these words forever. Nobody can stop you unless you stop yourself. You are worth everything. I tell you, I bet you, you are worth everything you want in your life. You are worth everything you dream. So dream big, be great. Thank you.